don't know what you guys think, but sometimes nature just takes your breath away. One taxi, one train, 2 buses, a walk and an elevator later, I have made it to Oolong Kast Geology Park. Bit of an effort, it's one of the most popular things to do as a day trip in Chongqing, even though it is a bit of an effort to get to. First impressions, this place is ridiculous. The vastness of these cliffs is incredible. It is an incredibly busy tourist hotspot, but those karst cliffs, the different colours, the different textures on them, oranges, yellows, blacks, whites, greys, looks absolutely incredible. And then you add the trees and the bushes and the foliage growing off it, which I always find amazing. Incredible views, and we haven't even seen one of the natural bridges yet. Alright, the first of the natural bridges is behind me. Everyone is taking a photo with their thumb, so I guess the point is the hole in the mountain looks like a thumb. I don't know what you guys think, but sometimes nature just takes your breath away. Cliff, the sheer size of that, and then a tunnel and a bridge, essentially, is what it is, a natural bridge running straight through it.